Imagine waking up tomorrow knowing you have the ability to earn $500 in a single day without relying on overtime, begging for a raise, or waiting years for a promotion. It sounds like one of those flashy internet promises, but here's the truth. Plenty of Americans are already doing exactly that. The difference is that they aren't chasing get-rich-quick schemes. They're building valuable skills, solving expensive problems, and using modern technology to reach customers who are willing to pay premium prices. In today's economy, inflation continues to squeeze household budgets, credit card interest rates remain high, and many families are looking for additional income just to stay ahead. A side hustle that consistently brings in $500 a day won't happen overnight. But with the right strategy, it's far more realistic than most people think. In this video, we're breaking down the best side hustles that have real earning potential, why they work, how much you can realistically expect to make, and what it actually takes to reach that $500 milestone. Before we dive into the opportunities, it's important to understand one thing. $500 per day isn't about working harder every minute of the day. It's about creating value that's worth paying for. Someone who earns $20 an hour would need to work 25 hours to make $500. Obviously, that's impossible. But someone who provides a service worth $1,000 and keeps half his profit only needs one customer. That's the mindset shift that separates high-income side hustles from low-paying gigs. Instead of trading every hour for money, focus on solving problems that people desperately want fixed. One of the most profitable side hustles today is freelance digital marketing. Businesses across America spend billions of dollars every year trying to attract new customers online. Many small business owners don't understand Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok marketing, email campaigns, or SEO. If you learn just one of these skills and become good at generating results, companies are often willing to pay hundreds or even thousands of dollars every month. Managing advertising campaigns for only a handful of local businesses could easily push your daily income above $500. The best part is that you don't need a marketing degree. Many successful freelancers built their careers by learning through online courses, practicing with small projects, and delivering measurable results. Another side hustle with enormous earning potential is video editing. YouTube creators, real estate agencies, coaches, and businesses constantly need editors who can transform raw footage into engaging content. As short-form video continues dominating social media, demand has exploded. A beginner might charge $50 to $100 per project, but experienced editors regularly charge several $100s for a single video. Completing 2 or 3 premium projects in one day can easily cross the $500 mark. More importantly, many editors eventually hire assistants, allowing them to scale income without editing every frame themselves. Artificial intelligence has also created a wave of new opportunities. Businesses are looking for people who understand AI tools and can use them to save time and increase productivity. Companies pay freelancers to create marketing content, automate workflows, generate business reports, build AI chatbots, and improve customer support. These services don't require building your own AI model. Instead, they require knowing how to combine existing AI platforms into solutions that help businesses make more money or reduce costs. As AI adoption continues growing, skilled professionals in this space are becoming increasingly valuable. High-ticket sales is another overlooked opportunity. Many companies sell software, financial services, coaching programs, or business solutions worth thousands of dollars. Instead of hiring full-time employees, they pay independent sales representatives generous commissions. Closing just one premium sale could earn several hundred or even several $1,000s. While sales isn't for everyone, people who enjoy communication and relationship building often discover that this side hustle offers income far beyond traditional hourly jobs. Real estate photography has become another surprisingly profitable business. Every home listed for sale needs professional photos, drone footage, and video walkthroughs. Agents understand that better visuals help properties sell faster and often at higher prices. A skilled photographer can charge several $100s for a single property shoot. Completing 2 or 3 appointments in one day can generate well over $500. As your reputation grows, referrals begin creating a steady stream of clients without constant advertising. If you have expertise in a specialized field, consulting can become one of the fastest paths to premium income. Businesses pay experienced professionals to solve expensive problems. Whether your knowledge involves accounting, cybersecurity, project management, HR, software development, healthcare compliance, or financial planning, companies value expert advice because mistakes often cost far more than consulting fees. Charging $250 per hour may sound ambitious, but many consultants command significantly higher rates after establishing credibility. E-commerce remains one of the most scalable side hustles available today. Instead of focusing on low-quality products with tiny profit margins, successful entrepreneurs build brands around products people genuinely need. Selling through platforms like Shopify or Amazon can generate sales 24 hours a day, while building an online store requires upfront effort, marketing, and customer service. Successful stores eventually produce income even while the owner sleeps. Some days may generate only a few sales, while others can easily surpass $500 in profit. Another growing opportunity involves creating digital products. Templates, budgeting spreadsheets, online courses, stock photos, printable planners, resume designs, business contracts, and educational resources can all be sold repeatedly without manufacturing inventory. The beauty of digital products lies in their scalability. You create the product once, but customers continue purchasing it for months or even years. Once your digital library grows, multiple sales each day can create surprisingly consistent income with very little ongoing work. Content creation deserves a place on this list because it has evolved into a legitimate business rather than just a hobby. YouTube, newsletters, podcasts, and social media platforms allow creators to earn through advertising revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, memberships, and digital product sales. While success rarely happens overnight, creators who consistently provide valuable financial education, technology reviews, business advice, or lifestyle content often build multiple income streams. Eventually, one well-performing video or sponsorship can generate more than $500 in a single day. For people with strong technical skills, software development and automation services continue commanding premium prices. Businesses constantly search for professionals who can create websites, mobile applications, automate repetitive tasks, integrate software systems, or improve internal processes. Even small automation projects can save companies hundreds of work hours annually, making clients happy to pay substantial fees. This isn't limited to Silicon Valley programmers either. No-code and low-code platforms have made software solutions accessible to a much broader audience. Now let's talk about something equally important. Reaching $500 per day doesn't mean you'll keep every dollar. The IRS considers side hustle income taxable, meaning you'll likely need to set aside money for federal taxes and possibly state taxes, depending on where you live. Many successful freelancers open separate business bank accounts, carefully track expenses, and work with accountants to maximize legitimate deductions. Understanding estimated tax payments can prevent unpleasant surprises during tax season. Financial discipline matters just as much as generating income. As your side hustle grows, don't immediately increase your lifestyle spending. One of the smartest financial moves is using extra income to eliminate high-interest credit card debt, build a 6-month emergency fund, contribute consistently to retirement accounts like a 401(k) or IRA, and invest for long-term wealth. Extra income creates opportunities, but only smart financial decisions create lasting financial freedom. The goal isn't simply earning more money. The goal is keeping more of it and putting it to work for your future. You should also remember that almost every successful person started with modest results. The freelancer charging $2,000 per project probably began with projects worth $50. The YouTuber earning thousands each month likely uploaded videos for months before anyone noticed. The consultant charging premium rates spent years building expertise. Success usually comes from consistency rather than shortcuts. Every completed project improves your skills, every satisfied client increases referrals, and every small win builds momentum toward much larger opportunities. If you're wondering which side hustle is the best choice, the answer depends on your strengths. If you're creative, consider video editing or content creation. If you're analytical, digital marketing or consulting may fit you better. If you're technically inclined, software development or AI automation could become your highest paying path. The important thing is choosing one opportunity, committing to learning it deeply, and improving every single week instead of jumping between dozens of different ideas. The reality is that earning $500 a day isn't reserved for celebrities, influencers, or millionaires. It's achievable for ordinary people willing to develop valuable skills, stay consistent, and treat a side hustle like a real business instead of a casual hobby. Every successful entrepreneur started exactly where you are today, with curiosity, ambition, and the willingness to take the first step. The sooner you begin building a skill that the marketplace values, the sooner you'll move closer to financial independence. Your future income isn't determined by your current paycheck. It's determined by the value you create, the problems you solve, and the actions you take starting today.